So here we are going to demonstrate about electrical vehicle. So in this you will be having an solar panel, 100-watt solar panel, and having an lead acid batteries which are 26 volts and 26 amps, 12 volts each, connected in series, totally become 48 volts, and the ampere rating remains same, 25 amps. And this is an MCB switch to on and off the power supply. So here I am going to turn on the power supply which is flowing from the battery, and this is a charging point over here, and this gives an output voltage terminal to the controller. And here you can see an ignition switch, so you have to turn on the ignition switch over here, and the controller gives an output power supply to the acceleration or the foot. So there you can observe an accelerator which gives an Hall, which consists of an Hall effect sensors, and gives an output triggering pulse to the controller, which is present over here. And this controller consists of an MOSFETs which are going to give an PWM waves to the three different terminals, which are yellow, blue and green, and these are going to drive the motor. So there you can see an 750 watt PMDC motor, which consists of an three Hall effect sensors and plus 5 volts terminals, and three different windings which we are getting power supply from the MOSFETs. So these again connected by using chain and sprocket mechanism. Generally this motor is going to rotate at 2400 rpm. So at such an high rpm it doesn't have any kind of torque. So to increase the torque there will be an planetary gear motion over the output of the shaft. And after that the gearbox is again consists of an sprocket, and that small sprocket is connected to the bigger sprocket which is connected to the 25 mm bright shaft rod. So this is going to rotate the wheel shaft, and that shaft consists of an disc brake over here. So with the help of hydraulic disc brake suspension mechanism, so here we have an brake pad which consists of an hydraulic brake, gives an oil pumping towards the cylinder. So this is how we are going to apply the brake over here, and let us see the demonstration. So before that, here you can see a switch to indicate to on the light, and horn over here, and this button is used to move the vehicle like reverse. So when you press this push button and you give an acceleration, it moves backward. So when you doesn't push that, it doesn't move in your direction. So let us see the demonstration. So here we have the solar panel, so which is an polycrystal solar cell, which is made up of with semiconducting material. This consists of a photovoltaic diode which is going to generate the voltage. So these generated voltage are stored into the battery. So here you can this consists of an diodes or to not get reverse current into the circuit, which acts as a charging circuit over here. So when you sit here, you have the space at your either sides, and backward also you have the seating arrangement. So you have the steering wheel, and when I give an acceleration part, it moves slowly, and by applying the brakes it stops. So this is how it moves forward, and when I press it, the position of the acceleration, it moves backwards. So this is how our electrical vehicle is going to work by using PMDC motor and solar panel. Thank you.